Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset all local group policy settings back to default in your Windows 11. First, you're gonna head up to your search bar, type cmd and run as administrator. Then click on yes, and then you're gonna copy that 3 commands I will be leaving on your description. So first, copy this one, go to your command prompt, and on the top part, you're gonna right click it and go to edit, then you can paste. Then you're gonna enter and do the same with the second one. And do the third one. You're gonna wait. By the way, it says the system cannot find that file specified because I tried already. So yes. Then this should appear. If it did, then the problem is solved. You can now go ahead and restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.